Hi, today I'm running the Oppo A16S and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and after that scroll to the sound and vibration section. After that you'll see here the silent mode switcher. Just to turn on and turn off the silent mode you should use this switcher. Also we can use here the don't disturb mode to turn it on and turn it off. Here we'll see the volume panels, the media ringtone notifications and alarms volume panel. Just to change the volume we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to change ringtone or notification sound you should do it here, and to use vibration on ring or in silent mode you should use the switchers. If you want to change turn on or turn off the system haptics, just click on the switcher, and to turn on or turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sound, screenshot sound, deletion and touch sound, you'd also use the switchers. So let's go back, and in advanced settings we can see here the volume button function. So now we have selected the media volume. So now by use the up or down volume button we'll switch the media ringtone, and also we can switch it to the ringtone volume. And if you want to switch the default recorder from on to selected add-on, you should also do it here. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Oppo device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.